being innovative in Markon, what kind of sets us apart is we go above and beyond. We've hired the right people. We hire people that go beyond the status quo and find new innovative solutions. And we found that by having successful employees, clients realize that success also.
When we think about facilities, the 4 phases that we like to use are plan, design, construct, operate, and maintain. And so anything that you can think of that comes up as a question about how you manage facilities within those 4 phases, we generally have seen it across the full range of our projects, and we'll have some resource in the company that can advise on a customized approach based on the customer's question.
Construction technologies have really taken off in the last 3 to 5 years, and being ahead of that technology curve, understanding what the technology does and the problems and the solutions that they create is at the forefront of what we do.
We also have this product called SiteView, which is a real-time project control software that monitors the people on site, the schedule, and the costs of the project in order to inform owners about how's the project doing? Is it on time? Are you on budget? So Markon's had some success with really high-profile clients like the intelligence community and other civilian agencies. And one of the things I think we're best known for is working on large campuses and doing huge construction projects. And we see clients come back to us over and over again in order to support them whenever they have a new large project like that.